What's up, Sister Squad? It's your girl Alyssa here, and today I'm going to show you how to write an equation in slope-intercept form for a graph. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you see, we need to write an equation in slope-intercept form for the graph, which is right here. So we have our points 1, 2, and then our other point -1, -4. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. A little tidbit for you. Sorry about the whining. My dog, Jazz, likes to whine constantly. She doesn't shut up. So, sorry about that, but let's get back to math. So, slope-intercept form is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So, we do -4 minus 2 over -1 minus 1. That would equal -6 divided by -2, which equals 3. There you go. There you have it. How to write an equation in slope-intercept form for a graph. But we're just going to double check my notes and make sure I am 100% correct, because I don't like to be wrong. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to be wrong. I want to do it right. So I always go back through and double check my work. Alright, so looking at my notes, we do have one more step. So, because I'm wrong, I knew it, but I mean, double check my work, obviously. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So let's get into what we need to do to get it to y equals mx plus b. Alright, so we're going to pick simple. By the way, formula we need to use is y minus y1 equals x minus x1. We'll put question because it's whatever number you have. So we're going to do y minus 2 equals 3 times x minus 1. So we have y minus 2 equals 3x minus 3. You add the 2 to both sides because you do want to get the y by itself. So that eliminates, and then you get y by itself, and then you get your mx. Whoops. I'm saying mx, and I put an m next to the 3 instead. So you get y equals your mx, which is 3x, But you don't get plus b, you get minus 1. So that is your final answer. Y equals 3x minus 1. Alright guys, so there you have it. Now we are officially done. I had double and triple checked the notes before I turned the camera back on. That is all that needs to be done for that problem. Let me take a gander here and see if there's any others that I can do, just so this video has a little bit more length to it. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I found a few more to do. We're gonna find the X-intercept and the Y-intercept of a graph of each equation, and then we're gonna graph the equation using the intercepts. I am gonna look at my notes and I'm gonna see what my notes say. So I'm teaching you exactly what I have been taught, so that way y'all don't do it wrong. So alright, actually we'll start with the vertical line test, because that's easy. Alright, let's get to it. So it says, use the vertical line test to determine if each graph represents a function. This one, for starters, is a no. You just put a line through. I generally do down the center. And then inside the graph, I'm going to put no. This one's fairly easy as well. Just go down. Doesn't matter if your line is straight or not. Arrow, arrow, no. This one is going to be a yes no matter. Yep, that just happened. This one is a yes. So, yes. And this one, I can go there, it's going to cross there, and it's going to cross here. So this is a no. Unless I went down the center, then it is a yes. But I'm not going down the center because I can tell just by looking at it that it's going to cross on these 2 points and these 2 points. Sorry. These 2 points here and then these 2. So yeah, this is also easy. We'll do this one. State the domain and range of each relation, then determine whether each relation is a function. So this has your domain and range already stated, but it is not a function. Reason being is you have 3 y's, because range is y, domain is x. Your x, the 2 is repeated, but the 8 is not. So if one of your x's repeats, it is not a function. This one, on the other hand, is a function. This one we need to do ourselves. So D for domain, R for range. We have -3, comma, -1, comma, 0, comma, 2, comma, 3. This one we have 0, -1, 0, -2, 4. Yes. Well, I won't write yes, I'll put function. So that's that whole side. Well, that page at least. I mean, I'll show you everything. I still got all this to do. And I still have a few on the front as well. Okay, this one should be easy. I don't even need to do much. Basically, it says rock climbing. Gail is climbing at a popular rock climbing spot, Boulder Canyon Sport Rock in Colorado. The table below shows Gail's altitude above ground during a rock climb up a cliff. So at 10 o'clock, his altitude was 0, but at 10:20, it was 22. So that went up 22. So down here it says, complete the following table of Gail's average rate of ascent. So we can say from 10 to 10:20, it was 22 m. But at 10:40, it was 30. So from 10:20 to 10:40, he only went up 6 miles. But at 11, it was only 33. So from 10:40 to 10:20, it was 3 m. Again, I am so sorry for all the whining. If it has caused you distraction, I am sorry. Like I told you though, my dog don't shut up. But before we can do any more math, we are gonna go feed my dog, so hopefully she will shut up for a little bit longer. So, let's feed the dogs. Alright, so I'm just going to explain real quick. We give our older animals wet food because their teeth are getting bad. Jazz has actually had teeth pulled. So we feed her this blue. I'll feed Jazz this and one other flavor. She really likes the one with garden vegetables. So we give her this. Now we do this twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening, because our animals only get fed twice a day. So, I mean, it's expensive, but I mean, whatever helps them not lose teeth faster works. So, back into the montage. I think I waited a little too long. Y'all tell me. Our ice maker in here stopped working. So now we have like crap up here. But it stopped working, so now we have that fancy ice contraption. It's so nice. I love the ice. It's so good.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't be BN.